Good morning student, welcome to Sheba online class. Now third session will be going to measurement. Okay, last class we are studying time, temperature and the rules conversion of the symbols of the unit. Now we are going to start the vernier caliper. Okay, so what is the vernier caliper? You see vernier caliper, first I show the vernier caliper, all show the instrument. Okay, this is a vernier caliper. Okay, now first in our daily life we are measuring the meter scales, using the meter scales. Any one cloth or any one object you are measuring the meters. So I explained that the vernier caliper. Okay, so the vernier caliper consisted of the thick and thin long steels of the scale. Okay, to the left movable of the upper and lower sides of the jaw, upper and lower jaw perpendicular activate. So first listen, all the long size scale is a measuring the graduated millimeter and centimeter, millimeter and centimeter. Okay, next upper and lower jaw perpendicular axis, perpendicular of the axis. So next to the left end of the movement of the jaw, movement of the jawable. Okay, so upper and lower sides is a inside jaw and outside jaw. Okay, this is a long scale, long steel scale. This is a graduated millimeter and centimeter. Okay, next this is a graduated the millimeter and centimeter. Okay, this is a long steel scales and upper jaw, lower jaw is a fixed for the perpendicular axis. The end of the left side is a movable of the fixing of the jaw. Okay, next the least count scale is a 1 millimeter, 0.1 millimeter, that is called the least count of the scale. Next then another one screw gauge is a 0.01 millimeter only presented. So how is using the vernier caliper? The vernier caliper is the perpendicular axis movable of the left sides, only the measuring the object. Okay, least count of the instrument, that is called the value of the smallest main scale equal to the division of the total number of vernier caliper. Next, least count 1 millimeter divided by 10 equal to 0.1 millimeter of the counting. So positive error and negative error will be came. Positive error plus 5 into LC plus 5 into 0.01 equal to 0.01. So that is called the small object is a measuring for the vernier caliper. Negative error and positive error will be came to the vernier caliper. Okay, next the screw gauge. I will talk about the screw gauge. Screw gauge in here use the daily life. I show the instrument, the screw gauge in our, this is called the screw gauge. Okay, this is a screw gauge. This is a U-shaped and metallic beams. U-shaped metallic beams and this is a rotating of the side. Okay, next thin or thick object will be preserving to the measuring the length. Okay, next one is the least count of the screw gauge instrument is a 0.0 m. 0.0 m, the least count of the 0.0 m of the screw gauge. The screw gauge consisted of the U-shaped. Look here, U-shaped of the screw gauge. Hollow cylindrical is attached to the end of the frame. Hollow cylindrical is attached to the end of the frame. So grooves cut to the millimeters inner the surface. Grooves are cut into the inner sides. These are all grooves that cut into the inner sides of the millimeter and centimeter. This is a pitch scale. Pitch scale and S scales are divided into the screw gauge. Okay. Next, screw gauge is an instrument. Screw gauge is the instrument of the diameter of the 0.01 millimeter. The screw gauge consists of a the screw gauge consisted divided into the diameter of 1 by 100 0.0 millimeter. The screw gauge consisted U-shaped metal frame. Hollow cylinder is the attached to the end of the frame. Okay, end of the frame. Screws cut to the inner surface. Next, which is graduated into pitch scale and head scale, millimeters of the measured for the pitch scale. This is only for the screw gauge works. The principle of the screw gauge rotate to the pitch scale groove. So distance movable for the pitch is least count is 1 by 100 equal to 0.0 millimeter. So that is called the screw gauge. Next one is physical balance. What is the physical balance? It is the unit of the mass is kilogram. Is the physical balance. So we are using the you are buying the gold. Milligram and gram, milligram only measure for the gold. Next, medicine will be milligrams. That only provisions are kilograms. These are all measuring the mass of the physical balance. Next, so physical balance is only for the lab and lab using the lab only using. So it is called the measuring for the all the object are currently corrected for the milligrams. Next one spring balance. It is the standard of the reference of you used in the physical balance. 10 mg, 20 mg, 30 mg. These are all measuring for the measurement. Look here, I will show the diagram. Is a digital balance. I show the diagram. Digital balance. Nowadays the accurate measure the digital balance is measuring for the accurately even of the few milligrams. The least valuable is the figure of the electrical devices of the only the digital of the balance. Next, spring balance. Spring balance is find the weight of an object. So this is called this is only the spring balance of the weight of only measuring. So this is attached to the other end. First end is a hook will be attached. Then other one hook will be attached on the diagram. Okay. Next, the hooks state that the additions weight of the process is called to the proportion of the increase the length of the spring. Okay, so that is called spring balance of this measuring. Okay, next I do one sums. Listen here, I do one sums. First, if your man has a mass 50. So first, if your man has a mass of 50 kg on the earth. Listen, if a man has a mass 50 kg on the earth, then what is the weight? First listen, all listen carefully. Weight, W means milligram. Weight, W means milligram. Mass of a man, how many kg? 50 kg. Mass of a man 50 kg. Next, his weight is from the earth is a point of 9.8. It's a gravitation of the measuring, gravitations of the measuring 9.8. So mass of a man 50 kg is weight of the 50 into 9.8 equal to the weight of 490 Newton. Okay, 490 newtons of the 50 kgs. So next I show the one picture, one instrument of the vernier caliper. Okay, vernier caliper. Look here. All see the diagram. This is a vernier caliper. First is a inside, upper side inside jaw and outside jaw. Okay, object will be present the center point, that only measured of the object. Okay, next main scale and pitch scale. Main scale, this is a graduated centimeter and millimeters are separated to the centimeter and millimeters. So upper jaw and lower jaw. So how is the calculated? The least count. First of all, least count is here 1 millimeter by 10 equal to 0.1 millimeter and 0.01 millimeter. Okay, this is a diagram of the vernier caliper. So every year the question will be asking, draw the vernier caliper and parts, mention the parts. Okay, 5 more questions will be. Okay, next mass and weight. What is the differentiation of the mass and weight? Mass, first mass is a fundamental quantity. Mass is it is a fundamental quantity. It is the weight is a derived quantity. Derived quantity only for the weight. And next scalar quantity and then vector quantity. Scalar and vector quantity. It remains the everyone remains the same everywhere, remains the same everywhere, but place to place only for the weight objection. Okay, so mass and weight. This lesson is over, but I will explain that another one is first of all vernier caliper is measuring for the meter and unknown measuring for the vernier caliper, and next one screw gauge. Screw gauge is a U-shaped, then that only a smallest millimeter, centimeter is a small scales will be measuring the object of the screw gauge. Next one is using the scales, using the screw gauge principle. What is the pitch of the screw? Pitch of the screw is a pitch of the screw is the distant moved by the pitch. Is a pitch of the screw distance moved by the pitch by number of rotation by the edge scale. Number of rotation by the edge scale. This is using the pitch of screw. Pitch of screw. Okay. Next one is a least count of the screw gauge. Least count of the instrument. Least LC equal to value of one smallest pitch scale reading, and another one is a total number of edge scale division. So LC equal to 1.100 equal to 0.01 millimeter. Okay, zero error of the screw gauge. Okay. Okay, next negative zero error, positive zero error and negative zero error. What is the value of the negative zero error? This is a negative formation. Zero error equal to 100 minus n into least count. Okay, 100 minus n into least count of the point of the negative error. So 100 minus 95 into least count, minus 95 into least count. This is the answer. Minus 5 into 0.01. What is the 0.01? That is called the least count of the vernier scales. Okay, least count of the vernier scale. The answer is minus 0.05 millimeter. The zero correction is here 0.1. Okay, it's clear. So these are all the negative zero error of the vernier caliper, screw gauge. Okay, well, next calculation. The calculate the correct reading if the main scale reading. Correct reading, main scale reading is the 8 centimeter of the vernier coincides, thickness of the coincides. Okay, 4 and positive zero error. First one is you find the negative zero error, then another one is a positive zero error. Which one is here? The thick coincides of the coincides of the scale, vernier caliper scales is a 0.05 centimeter is a measuring. Next, correct reading 8 centimeter of vernier coincides plus 4 into 0.01 centimeter. So that is called the least count of the millimeter. Minus 0.05 is centimeter already given to the point. Zero error point is given 0.05 centimeter. So all totally 8 into 0.01, 0.04 minus 0.05 equal to 8 into the 8.0101. So that is called a final reading of the 7.99 centimeter. So that is called a positive error and a negative error with using the formula and the measuring the find the least count of the meter scales coincide cells. Okay, finally this lesson is over and recall this 1 or 2 points. First quantity, first one is a quantity, the express the derived quantity and fundamental quantities. Express the terms of the fundamental quantities. Number 2. Third one is a length, mass, time, temperature and intensity, electric current and electric intensity. These are all the fundamental quantity of the SI system. Find the length of the thickness. I show the vernier caliper. Okay, I show that. Find the vernier caliper thickness, small dimension vernier caliper and screw gauge. So that is called the thickness of the small dimension. Okay, the two instrument of the measuring the millimeter and centimeter. It is a pitch scale and large scale. This is a grooves of divided into the millimeters and centimeter. Okay, next this is a first class you have studied the astronomical unit, the sun and the earth distance between the astronomical unit. Okay, next one is that is called the sun and the earth is 1 AU astronomical unit equal to 1 AU equal to 1.496 into 10 power of 11 meter. So that is called sun and earth distance of the astronomical unit. Okay, next one is a light years distance travelled is a light years distance travelled by equal to 1 light year ly means light year, AU means astronomical unit, ly means light year. So equal to 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power of 15 meter. So what is this 15? Okay, after and before 10 using the minus 15 means the meter scales expressing. Okay, next 1 angstrom. Listen, 1 angstrom is a 1 into 10 power of 10. 1 angstrom equal to 10 into 1 angstrom equal to A. 1 angstrom equal to 10 power of 10 meters. Okay, so that is called the value of the angstrom value. The SI unit of the meters generally is represented 1 meter squared and 1 centimeter squared, 1 millimeter squared. These are all the right in the volume of the meters. So least count already I talked to you already. Least count screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter and least count of the vernier caliper 0.01 centimeter. Understand? Least count of the vernier caliper, least count of the screw gauge equal to 0.0 millimeter. Okay, important. Least count of the screw gauge. And then second one, least count of the vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. So that is a variation. Okay. Next, the common balance. Already I measure the mass. mass and weight. You are already accurately up to 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kgs already. Accurately physical balance is only for the 10 mg, 20 mg, 50 mg, 60 mg, 30 mg. Listen student, now we are finished the lesson number 1 measurement. Okay, all the students now you are ready to test for the every week. Okay, next you are submitted the homework and properly sent to WhatsApp. Thank you student.